viewers and subscribers. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing my Thai dragon chili pepper, and this is it. And let me give you a little close-up. There's two that are mature, and those little chili peppers, oh my goodness, they are hot. I mean hot. And to give you a background of this Thai chili pepper is, I went for my physical and with the doctor that I was going to, pretty much it was a new doctor, and we were talking and found out we both love gardening. So she brought me into her office, and she had the Thai chili pepper there, and I was just amazed. And let me just show you a picture of that. So now you can see, this is from a seed from the, she gave me two pods, and I cut it open, and I said, I'm going to grow, because I like hot peppers, but this one, when I brought it home, the two pods, I decided to take a bite. And why did I do that? That pepper had my lips burning. My mouth was burning for something so small. I didn't think it was going to be as hot, but I was wrong. And plus, when you look at this plant, you see how the pods, they grow upward and not downward? That's a little sign that these peppers are feisty. But anyways, I started the plant back in November, and here it is. It looks like a bonsai tree to me. But yeah, I love this pepper plant. I have it growing in a 3-gallon Rubbermaid container, and it's under Hidden Harvest Grow Light, and it's doing fantastic. It has so many peppers developing on this plant. The ones at the top, pretty much, they haven't matured yet. They're green, and basically they're not ripe yet. But there's peppers developing everywhere on this plant, everywhere. Can you believe it? It's absolutely amazing, and I love my Thai dragon pepper. I also took some cuttings. I had to do some trimming because down along where the stem is, there were little offshoots. So what I ended up doing, I'm rooting them to start some new plants, and I'll probably end up giving them away to some friends. But it's quite a few that I have. I just started rooting these, and I have rooted pepper cuttings before. It's very simple to do. You just you take the leaves off the stem and then you stick them in water. And I would say probably within the next week or so, I should start to see some roots coming from the stems that I have in the water right here. But this Thai dragon chili pepper is awesome. And doesn't it look like a bonsai tree to you? I'm pretty sure that I can do some trimming of this plant, but I just couldn't bear to trim it. And I mean, the production is just fantastic. There's some more blooms coming all over this plant. I'll never run out of peppers. But this is fantastic. I am having such a ball growing things indoors. And I'm doing the non-circulating hydroponics. So basically, everything is going very well. And I'm using MaxiGrow for the nutrients. And it seems like the plant is responding very well. It's nice and healthy and green, as you can see. So it's excellent.